Hey everyone, Jimmy here with Moxie Surfaces, the US distributor for Design Composite, the world's leading manufacturer of interior, exterior, and acoustically absorbent translucent panels that create fascinating effects with light and sound. Today, we will be talking about Airboard Acoustic and the all-new Airboard Quiet, which are the only products available on the market that are both sound absorbing and transparent. The Airboard Acoustic features a rigid, transparent, or black honeycomb core with micro-perforated PET facing sheets, which provides unique optics, functionality, and of course excellent sound absorption with an NRC rating of 0.75 to 0.80. The Airboard Quiet uses one perforated facing sheet and one non-perforated facing sheet. The perforated sheet provides an NRC rating of 0.35, and when combined with the non-perforated sheet that provides a STC rating of 28, the result is not only the unique ability of absorbing sound, it's also stopping it as well. Both of these panels offer not only excellent acoustic absorption, but are easy to clean and have unique daylighting properties, which make these panels the perfect product for stylish partitions in offices, restaurants, or any public space that requires some aspect of privacy or social distancing. These panels are lightweight yet extremely robust. They can be installed as walls and false ceilings or used as partitions, desk dividers, or hanging partition walls. Through the transparency, the overview of the room is retained, echoing is reduced, and speech intelligibility is increased. The synergy between functionality and individual design has a positive effect on work efficiency, employee well-being, and even customer enjoyment. Not to mention, the frameless and translucent materials create a unique room ambiance. These panels offer complete creative control for any designer or architect. Popular applications include sunscreens, interior and exterior design, walls and ceilings, partitions, doors, shop and exhibition construction, artistic applications, lighting design, and even furniture. For more information or to request a sample box, please visit us at moxiesurfaces.com or send us an email at create@moxiesurfaces.com.